Hello sweet friends, welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I am going to be sharing the Victorian frame from Scrapdiva Designs. I will have a link to this die in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. Should you care to purchase this die, it is an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything to use it, but it does help me and my channel, and I thank you all for that so very much. You can also use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your order. So this die right here has 4 pieces, and I will give you the measurement. So the frame itself measures 3 1/8 by 2 3/8. So this is the back of your frame. And then this one goes on top. You can see the fancy design on there. So you cut that out and you put it on top of here. And when you do that, you can see the background color through this design. It's beautiful. Then you get 2 pieces to cut for inside your frame. And you get this piece right here. And this will cut out a square. And this measures 1 1/4 by 1 5/8. And then you get this piece right here, and this cuts a frame piece. So you could actually do a little shaker. You would have to layer, of course. And this one is a little bit bigger than that one. And this one measures 1 from cut edge to cut edge, 1 1/2 by 1 7/8. So you have 4 pieces to assemble. Most of mine, I just used the 3 pieces. I did not use this frame piece, but I do like having that in this die set. So you get 4 pieces. So before I show you my project, let me just say that if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I would love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your comments and support. So this is what I made. I love this Victorian frame, and as you can see on a tag that it looks amazing. So my tag is measurement is 5 inches by 2 1/2 inches wide, and I don't know if this tag is available anymore. It's actually a bookmark, and I forgot what company it was. It was from I don't have it here, but it's a bookmark. It's in a lot of my videos, a lot of my tag videos. I have it posted. So I layered it on top of, actually, this frame on top of 2 tags because I love the way that looked, which is this one right here from Marianne Creatables. It's this tag right here, LRO154, and I layered it on top of that. So I have 2 tags and a frame. And this, of course, is a bow from my die stash. And then the little images are from the Shabby Art Boutique. And it was this month's release. I think it was called Sweet Candy Wishes, something like that, in the subscription at the craft room. So I layered that on top of here. It comes with the little sentiments and the pictures, which you are going to see. So I did 6 of these tags to put on presents this year. I know I showed you last year my tag tree, but these are actually going to go on presents. And the release for the shabby craft room was a lot of gingerbread, so that's why you see gingerbread here. This is fresh baked gingerbread, and I did do a lot of layering on the frame. So let me explain that. So what I did is I cut this one out in a either white or a color, and then I used some mounting tape, which is from the Dollar Tree that I use. It was this one right here. So I put it on the back of the gold part and layered it on top of there. And then for the frame piece, I also put the foam, so I get lots of dimension. And I used the bigger foam pieces on some of the images. So that's the Santa. And that is the gingerbread one. Excuse me. And a hot cocoa. And this is also the die from Scrapdiva Design. It was this one right here. I made the poinsettias. And it's called Poinsettia Flower Set. I'll be sure to link that one as well. Then I have one with a little gingerbread house. These came out really cute. I love them. And then I have a little gingerbread. It says candy cane right there. You can see the... And then last but not least, I love this one. It's Mrs. Santa Claus with a plate of cookies. And it says holiday wishes. These were a lot of fun to make. So that again is the Victorian frame from Scrapdiva Design right here. And you can get ephemera anywhere, and it doesn't have to be this little set that's by subscription only. It can be anything. And you can reduce pictures down to fit inside this and everything. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.